Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. So let's start. It's very easy to do it. So first let's go to the top right corner in the three dots, and then let's go to history, and then let's go to the part that says settings. So here on settings, just go to the left side and you will find here the part that says in search engine. Just click there and you can change it. As you can see, I have Google, so just click on change and you can select the one that you prefer. In case that you have Yahoo or whatever you prefer and you want to manage it, you can do it, and you can change here or delete if you prefer. You can delete whatever you want. For example, I want to delete this one that says Microsoft Ink, and you can delete it and this disappear. So that is how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to do it. Now you can change whatever you prefer in search engine, and if you prefer Google, Yahoo, DuckDuck, so you can start changing whatever you prefer. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.